Good day, everyone. It is currently the 16th of February, 2014. Meteorologist Robert Spetty here with you yet again to talk about yet again another winter storm system that is going to be impacting the Pacific coastline of Japan going into Wednesday and Thursday. In this update, we're going to break down the different model outlooks and basically talk about how much snowfall could occur with this next system, since the last two storms really kind of threw us through a loop and rather surprised us. Still digging out here in some parts of Shizuoka Prefecture. This is out in Yamanashi, where you saw a tremendous record-breaking amount of snowfall, and that's back-to-back snowstorms. Tokyo Metro also saw back-to-back snow totals up to 27 centimeters, and if we get enough snowfall with this next one, it'll be the heaviest snow recorded for the entire winter, that is, since 1984, and prior to that, no records go above about 57 centimeters for total snowfall in the Tokyo metro area. So definitely a lot pending on this next storm system. Also, in today, we're going to be talking about a different area down towards the south in the tropics. Tune into our other video update for that. You can see it there on the bottom right of your screen, Invest 93W. Don't expect too much from that, but really the big topic, I think, is going to be out here towards the north. Our low pressure system, which is now tracking off towards the northeast. Let's take a look at one of the GFS model outlooks here. Now, this is the latest one from 00 Zulu, and scrolling ahead and watching our storm system move off here towards the northeast. Actually, I don't think this is the latest run. Let's go ahead and repopulate this up here. And this is just the platform I use here via Finmock. And now we can see our storm system moving east. And this is going through Tuesday and out towards Wednesday and Thursday. Look how far south it is. And that's the key thing. If it stays this far south, we're not going to be looking at the tremendously windy conditions as we saw with the last two storms. Also, less precipitation will likely be coming out of this. But if it tracks a little bit farther towards the north, as what the NavGem has been pulling on for the past several days, you can watch our storm system come off here from the east. And actually, look at that. NavGem's kind of drifted it down farther towards the south as well. Very similar output as the ECMWF. Take a look at their total snowfall accumulation forecast. And really, this model is very accurate as far as predicting if it will snow in the Kanto area. And as you can see down here towards the Tokyo area, this is Mount Fuji. So you're looking at that snowfall, and you're not seeing the significant precipitation as we saw with the last several storms. Regardless, JMA still expecting some flurries here on Wednesday and Thursday. They're keeping their grade low, though, up to a B. Yesterday it was around a C. If you don't know this system, the lower the grade they have on it, the less confident they feel about it, and right now they're keeping it at that B level. So I do think it's going to have some snow flurries. To the extent of the last two storms, I know I've said this with the last storm, but to the extent of the last two storms across the Kanto area, I don't see it, given all three models expect this one to stay south. JMA's model also expecting it to stay farther off the coastline than the last several storm systems. This is just another look from the GFS, if we can have this load up here, which it's not. This feature actually from WeatherBell, by the way, and just takes a little bit longer to load, but this is basically the same outlook as GFS. So there it is, our storm system coming in from the west, skirting down here towards the south. It's going to pull off towards the northeast. Expecting those flurries. Some areas could see probably about 1 to 3 centimeters. Granted, this could change and could move farther towards the north if our low pressure system does come a little bit closer to the coast. We're talking about gustier winds by Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Not only that, but also along with that could be some heavier snowfall. So stay tuned with us here at westernpacificweather.com. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, you can always post them down there in the comment box below. Always appreciate your feedback. Once again, I do not foresee, I don't expect it to be as bad as these last two systems. We're looking at just some snow flurries, nothing too intense, but I definitely will be on top of it if the forecast does change here. Right now, JMA just expecting some flurries out here. So thanks again for watching, everybody, and stay safe out there.